My dear YouTube family, how are you, my dear subscriber, my dear viewers? I hope you're all well and fine. In this video, I will show you talk about a short bob pixie haircut. A short bob haircut is a classic and timeless hairstyle. It typically falls around the chin length or above, and it can also be customized to suit your face shape and personal style. It's a versatile haircut that can be worn straight, wavy, or with the curls. Dear viewers, if you like my video, please like, share, and comment on my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Bob pixie haircut is the combination of a bob and a pixie cut. It features shorter hair at the back and sides with the slightly longer hair on top. This creation are the stylish and aggy look. It's a versatile haircut that can be customized to suit your face shape and personal style. An undercut hairstyle is the trendy and bold choice. It is involving the shaving and the trimming the hair on the sides and the back of the head very short, while leaving the hair on the top and longer. A striking contrast and allow for various styling options. You can try the slicking back the longer hair on the top and creating the pompadour, or even adding the designs or patterns to the undercut section. It's a versatile style that can be customized by suit your personal taste. Dear viewers, a short saggy bob haircut is a stylish and aggy choice. It features a bob haircut with slightly messy and polished look. This adds the texture and movement to the hair, giving it a relaxed and effortless vibes. All the haircuts are very awesome and very pretty. Long layer haircuts and bob pixie haircut is the new types of trending style for those who want to rock a short hairstyle. It's a combination of classic bob and pixie cut, resulting in the chic and eggy look. Short haircut can be the fantastic choice for the fresh and stylish look. They offer versatility and can be the customized to suit your face shape and personal style. Absolutely, the short haircut are the low maintenance and can save your time when it's come to styling. They can also be enhance the facial features and create a bold and confidence. There are different styles of haircuts. The long features haircut and the curly layer with the highlights and the sleek straight layers. Long layers with haircuts and the subtle haircuts. Long V-cut layers. But in all of that, the short bob pixie haircut is so famous and pretty. Bob pixie haircut is typically shorter at the back and sides. It's change your totally look. Additionally, styling your hair with sleek and polished finish can evaluate the overall the chic look. Remember, confidence is the key, so rock that chic vanity hairstyles with pride. If you like my video, please like, share, and comment on my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. See you soon, guys. My dear YouTube family, how are you, my dear subscriber, my dear viewers? I hope you're all well and fine. In this video, I will show you talk about a short bob